make this for me. So the first one I want to have up here is GoFundMe. I'm going to unlock it so I can make it larger. Then I want to do fish fry. I'm going to also unlock that to make it, so if I want to make it the same as the word GoFundMe, you can put it over top and then it will align it accordingly for you. So you don't have to go figuring stuff out. So there you go. Fish fry and GoFundMe are pretty much the same. And then lastly, we have insured. So we're going to make insured even bigger, just like that. Now, this is 10 by 10, so it's going to cover the entire shirt. What you can do is group. You can group everything together, just like that. Okay, I messed up. I'm going to group everything together, and this allows you to adjust it all together without losing how you had it set up. So I wanted 10, but I don't want it to go all the way down to 10. So I'm going to do 10 by 8. There we go. That looks good. And the last thing I want to do is put in some, so wait, actually before we do that, we're going to change the colors. So the first color, I want this to be, let's see, GoFundMe should be red. Apply. Fish fry, I'm going to also make that red. And then insured, we're going to make that green. Perfect. Now, what I want to do, or I can make it looks like Christmas this way. But we'll keep it that way. So then the next thing I want to do is enter a shape. And I want a line. Now, what I want to do is find my own line. Let's see. I'm going to get one off of Canva. I'm going to teach y'all something really, really cool real fast. So if you want to get a design from Canva, you can hit any size. Blank is fine. And you can go here and hit shape. And it will give you some shapes here. So you can even put in here line and search line. And it'll come up with a few different lines here. I like this one. So we'll take this one. And so to save it, let's see, hit done. Save it. I kind of wanted to go back and see if I can save this on a transparent background. So, it's not giving me an option. Anyway, if you don't save it on a transparent background, I will show you how you can make it a transparent background. So you want to upload the line that we just got from Canva. Okay, so get that line. Hit next. Actually, clean it up some. We want to remove the background. So there you go. Now it's transparent, which means that the white background, which means that the white background will not show up. Okay? So here we go. We upload our line. And I'm going to duplicate it because I want it twice. So actions, duplicate. Perfect. Actually, I'm going to make it first and then go back and duplicate it. So I got GoFundMe. I'm going to make it kind of like this anyway. So I got GoFundMe. And then I'm going to duplicate that one actually. Oh, no, I don't want to duplicate that. You can always just hit undo. Select what you want to duplicate. Hit duplicate, bring that on down. And then get rid of this one. So GoFundMe, fish fry, insured. Just like that. And I'm moving it down some so it's not like, so you can tell that's a F. You better tell it's a F. And GoFundMe. So let's see here. To me that looks good. So then you want to hit make it. It's going to group all your all your red together. You have your greens together. And then you'll have your black. Now, there's something else that you can do. So with these two, what I might do is select those. Well, actually, you can only do two at a time. So select these two, the black line and the word fish fry, and you hit slice. So when you slice it, what it's going to do is remove these lines So it's going to remove the part of the word fish fry that's being covered by the line. So I'm going to duplicate this again and just simply put it back in the middle. So now when I go to make my shirt, it'll be even easier for me to align the it'll be easier for me to align it. And then I want to do the same thing for this one. I'm just duplicating my line again since my other one got all cut up. And put it right back in there. So that's perfect. And then get rid of all this stuff. Now we're gonna hit make it. So if you want the red to stay together so you don't have to align it on the shirt, what I recommend is taking the two red ones and hit weld, so that way when it prints on the mat, all you have to do is literally just cut it out and put it on the shirt. You don't have to align the GoFundMe and the fish fry because it's going to stay that way because you welded. Okay, and then we got our insured there in green, and then we got our black lines. So we're going to go ahead and, so these are the 3 layers, red, green, and black. And from here, we're going to go ahead and go downstairs to make the shirt. I hope that helped a little bit with layering, with slicing, with welding. Any other questions you have, just leave a comment below, ladies.